Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few topics of the subject multimedia and animation. First, let us see about the file formats, which may be the text files, image files, graphics, and animation file formats. First, let us see about the text file format. Text file formats are used to store the text based content such as plain text, formatted text, or documents. And these formats are often lightweight and can store the content in human readable form or with minimal encoding. The common text files are plain text, rich text format, Microsoft Word, Open Document, etc. So the plain text is saved as .txt, a simple format which contains only the text with no special formatting like bold, italics, or font style, anything. So it is highly portable and compatible across the platforms but lacks rich formatting. The rich text format, that is, has an extension of .rtf, a more advanced text format than the plain text. It supports basic text formatting, example bold, italics, font size, color, etc. The rtf files can be opened in most word processors without losing the formatting. The Microsoft Word is .doc or .docx. So the proprietary formats used for Microsoft Word, which support the advanced formatting, tables, images, hyperlinks, and other complex elements in documents. Open document is uh, .odt. It is an open source format used for the text documents. It is similar to Word's docx format. So this, but it is based upon the open standards and is compatible with various word processors like OpenOffice and LibreOffice. The hypertext markup language is saved as .html or .htm. That is a standard file format which is used to create web pages, and these files contains the structured text, embedded images, links, and other media elements which are rendered by the web browsers. Then Markdown, that is .md. It is a lightweight text format that uses a plain text with a simple formatting syntax such as uh, it is shown as asterisk, double asterisk for bold, and single asterisk for italic. So it is commonly used for documentation, websites, and blogs. Then .pdf, that is portable document format. Although it is often used for the documents, it includes both text and images. So it is this file preserve the formatting across devices and platforms, so they can contain complex layers, hyperlinks, and multimedia elements. Now let us see about the image file formats. Image file formats are used to store and display the digital images, and each format has its strengths and weakness depending on the image type, compression requirements, and use case. The JPEG is .jpg or .jpeg, so which is commonly used format for the digital photographs and web images. The JPEG uses lossy compression and which reduces the file size but also loses some image quality. It is well suited for the photographs but not ideal for images with sharp lines or text. .png, it is a lossless image format that supports the transparency, making it ideal for the images that need to be layered over other graphics or backgrounds. The PNG is widely used for the web images, logos, and icons. And .gif, a format that supports the animation and simple graphics. It uses a lossless compression and can contain a maximum of 256 colors. So it is commonly used for the web animations and simple icons. Then TIFF, it is a flexible format that supports both lossy and lossless compression, and it is often used for the professional photography, medical imaging, and publishing. And due to high quality and compressed versions, it supports multiple layers and color depths. Then .bmp, it is a bitmap image format which is used primarily on the Windows systems and is compressed with which results in very large file sizes, and this is rarely used for the web content due to the large size. Then WebP, so it is relatively newer image format developed by the Google that supports both the lossy and lossless compression along with the transparency. So it achieves smaller file sizes with the high image quality and making it ideal for the web images. Then HEIF, it is high efficiency image format which is used for uh, the photos and images on modern devices, particularly in iPhones and newer versions of Android. So it is offers better compression and quality compared to JPEG, high efficiency image format. Then SVG, it's a vector graphic format that uses XML to describe the images. So these images can be infinitely without loss of quality, making them ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations. Now let us see about the graphic and animation file formats. These are designed to store the vector-based images or animations. Often it is used in design, web development, and multimedia presentations. The vector graphic formats, which are based on mathematical formulas and can scale without loss of quality. And the SVG is a vector-based image format used primarily for the web and interface design. It supports the interactive elements, animation, and styling with CSS and JavaScript. Then EPS is encapsulated PostScript is a vector format which is used for high quality graphics and illustrations, which are often in print publishing and can store both vector and bitmap images, but they are typically used for vector artwork. The AI, that is Adobe Illustrator's native file format, which is used for vector graphics, and AI files contain the high quality illustrations and designs that can be scaled without the losing resolution. And PDF is used to store the vector images, especially for illustrations, diagrams, and page layout. It is often used for print ready graphics. Then animation formats, which is used to store motion graphics and animations. And .gif is being an image format, it also supports the simple animation by combining the multiple images into a single file. So it is used for web-based animations and names. Then about Flash, it is one of the popular format which is used for creating animations and web-based multimedia. And WebM, which is a format primarily for video streaming and animation on the web. And APNG is an extension of PNG format which supports the animation, and it supports 24-bit images with the alpha transparency. And MNG is a format which is used for animated PNGs, and we'll say it as APNG, sometimes called as animated PNG format, while it supports a full color and transparent animation, and it can never be gained the popularity of GIF or APNG. And AVI is a multimedia container format that can store both video and audio, often used in the standard video clips and animations. And already we have seen about the MOV, MP4, MLV, FLV, etc. Thank you.